Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're outside on the flat top. We're gonna make a livermush sandwich. It's gonna be made Carolina style with mustard, coleslaw, and onions. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned. Today's ingredients are livermush, coleslaw, onion, yellow mustard, and a hamburger bun. Okay, we've diced our onion and we've cut our livermush into fairly thick pieces, and we're gonna take it outside and put it on the griddle. Okay, we're gonna lay down a little olive oil. We'll take our spatula and just smooth that around a little bit. Turn that one off. And put down our livermush. We're going to add just a little bit of pepper to the top. Let's go a little bit longer. Got a little bit more oil. Move these around a little bit. Please like, comment, and share. All down the low. And we'll put cheese down on a couple of these. Please subscribe to the channel. We have a runaway. Okay, we've got our livermush in off the griddle. We've got our slaw and our mustard. We're going to add onion. And we're going to top it with our livermush and cheese. And there you have it, a livermush sandwich Carolina style. Thanks for tuning in.